ঠিক আছে রেকর্ড নাই তুমি কল্যাণ থেকে পাঠ্যক জোড়া চিনি 1951 থেকে 2019 জোড়া যে ইন্ডিয়ান কনস্টিটিউশন এমেন্ডমেন্ট নংমানি বব জাগাवा एमेंडमेंट खा जों नायनाय तिनि जत तो नायमांलाक जे नायमानसाक नायनाय एनफ्रा नेक्स्ट पाटो नायनाय एकाय अब बलायखै नांकुकमानि जे एमेंडमेंट बा परिवर्तन फायमानि फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1951 1951 tamo amend khekya added 9 schedule to protect the land reform and other law included in it from the judiciary review or over 9 schedule no add khekya pro आगे तो 8 schedule से अनपर 9 schedule no add khekya 1951 no और इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ni originally जे schedule hingkai 8 schedule ingke orobo 9 schedule no add khekya pro 9 schedule erpore added 3 more ground of restriction on freedom of speech and expression by public order friendly relation with foreign state and incitement to an offense also made the restriction reasonable and do justifiable in nature. Abo Roxanne's Kekya by Edith Kekya Apuru 1951 empower the state to make special provision for the advancement of social and economically backward classes. Empower overall at first constitution amendment. First constitution amendment bukro hini jadi singkangkai 1951. Tama edit hangkai ikabro engkabo peleke mutu narati nini prelim ebong men awani bagai. Second Constitution Amendment Act 1952 readjusted the scale of representation in the Lok Sabha by providing that one member could represent even more than 7,50,000 person. 7,50,000 person ni je one member could represent even more than mane 7,50,000 person misalai je above bo ungkojak bonongkai Lok Sabha ni member hinai je providing khlaimano hinai abo Constitution Second Amendment of Tisaka Amendment Act 1952. Third Constitutional Amendment Act 1954. 52 ni kore 54. 51 angka until 52, 54 maka ini third Constitutional Amendment. Empower the Parliament to control the production, supply and distribution of the food supply cattle. Abo nongko khagyan. Added khagyan. Parliamentary control, production, supply, distribution. Aborok no onga amendment khagyan. Further, cotton seed and raw jute in the public interest. Aun bagai further. Raw cotton seed and raw jute in the public interest. About her constitutional amendment na again another position sung to Indian Constitution third constitutional amendment 1954 tamo amendment khajaka constitutional tamo disajaka insaka ika but right so what is what duinaman pan sung to tungnaman pan ikabo belai ki important for constitutional amendment act 1955 made the scale of compensation given in lieu of compulsory acquisition of private property beyond the security code বিশেষ করে আবো অঙ্গ খাইজাক এমএন খাইজাক 4 অঙ্কা fifth amendment act 1955 fifth মানে পঞ্চমতম যে পাঁচবার কনস্টিটিউশন এমেন্ডমেন্ট খা 1955 হঙ্কা হঙ্কাই নিনি empower the president of fix the time limit for the state legislature to express their view on the proposed central legislative affection the area boundary and name the state abno ulgo khaijaka central hade nini name area boundary je kono state ni je nini ngorne bagai express khane bagai je legislative assembly wa salna bagai fifth constitution amendment act 1955 aba amend khai jaga empower jaga president president fixes the time limit for the state legislature of express their view on view. Sixth Amendment Act 1956 Obongkangka included a new subject in the Union List. Union List of Katal, the subject added Kajaka Bobo tax on the sale and purchase of good money, Palmani te Paimani or the tax Nango in the course of interstate trade and commerce and restricts the state power in this regard. মানে ফালমানি তে পাইমানি আরো যে ট্যাক্স যে বসক জাখা কনস্টিটিউশন অবতিসা জাখা যে সিক কনস্টিটিউশন অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট 1956 মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট Urban for 7 Constitution Amendment Act 1956. So, this Constitution Amendment Act was brought to give effect recommendation of State Recognition Commission, provided for the establishment of a common high court for 2 or more states. 2 বা 3টা স্টেট মিলিবই কাইসা যে হাই কোর্ট নাংনাই অব যে 7 কনস্টিটিউশন অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট এডেড খাইরিকা 2টা স্টেট বা 3টা স্টেট মিলিবই কাইসা হাই কোর্ট পাওনাই একটা পার 2টা বা 3টা মিলিখান যে হাই কোর্ট কাইসা পাওনাই অবন কনস্টিটিউশন added Kerika. Abolish the existing classification of state into 4 categories, Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D state and recognition them into 14 state and 6 union territory. A category, B category, C category, the D category, the 14 state, the 6 union territory of high 7 Constitution Amendment added Herika. Mane of high Sirika extended the jurisdiction of High Court to Union Territory or provided for the appointment of additional and acting judge for the High Court. Biশেষ করিয়া acting judge খাইব additional হিসেবে যদি problematic নহয় chief judge আরো বাই সিরিকা বাই অসুবিধা আসান ক খনাই তং না নহরে তং খনাই তং না
खना तों सर
আচ্ছা মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট अब बार-बार नाइदी और वीडियो न बार-बार नाइदी 8 Amendment Act 1960 वो हंका 8 बार Constitution Amendment खाइया extended the reservation of seat for his SC, ST and special representation for the Anglo-Indian in the Lok Sabha and the State Legislative Assembly for a period of 10 years up to 1970. 1970 jora awas reservation no angore rekha bare rekha Lok Sabha was Anglo-Indian community yakaba STSC our special representation dibagai another 8 amendment of 1960 wa Arpra 9 amendment act 1960 wa hankai facility the cities of India territory of very union located in West Bengal Bisesria to Pakistan and provide in a Indo-Pakistan Agreement ne aro 1961 is a 9 amendment of Act. 10 Constitutional Amendment Act 1961 imported the drug in our heavily in a Indian Union ne aro Indian Constitution apro amendment. 11 Amendment Act 1961 since the procedure of election of the Vice President by providing for a electoral college instead of a joint meeting of a two House of Parliament. Mane Vice President no je appointment khemani je Constitution no sakang tongmani abo tabuk sense klayai rijaka 1961 no 11 Amendment Indian Constitution 11 Amendment ikaro je Vice President ne je election no je sense khemani bo Constitution Amendment ke 11 Constitution Amendment bupuro ke 1961 provided that the election of the president or vice president cannot be challenged on the ground of any vacancy in the appropriate electoral college. Account for the 12 Constitutional Amendment Act 1962 incorporate Goa dominant due is the Indian Union. Nini 12 Constitutional Amendment okay nini Goa te kaisa dominant due Indian Union ini aro angkolakha. 13th Amendment Act 1962 gave the status of state Nagaland and provision for it, special provision jaka Nagaland. 14th Constitutional Amendment Act 1962 incorporate Pondicherry in the Indian Union, Pondicherry Phakya, Indian Union. 15th Constitutional Amendment Act 1963 increased the retirement age of High Court just for 62 year. Nini High Court is just agi 62 money constitutional rule engage 62 khairika 62 khairika agi 62 money iko 15 constitutional 15 tamo constitutional amendment Act 1963 of Baradik. 16th Amendment Act 1963 included sovereign and integrity in the form of oath of affirmation to be subscribed by constant to the legislator, member of the legislature, minister, judge, and king of India. America, 16th Constitutional Amendment. 17th Amendment Act 1964 prohibited the acquisition of land under personal cultivation. Useless the market value of the land is paid to compensation. 18th Amendment of 1966 made it clear that the power of Parliament from the new state also include the power to form a new state or union territory by uniting a part of a state or a union territory to another state or union territory. 19th Amendment Act 1966 abolished by the system of election tribunal and vested the power of her election. 20th Amendment Act 1966 validated certain appointment of district judges in the UP, which were declared void by the Supreme Court. 21st Amendment Act 1967 include Sindhi as a 15th language in the 8th schedule. 8th schedule appro 21st 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967 abo added kega Sindhi 15th tamo language tabukta 22 abo hongka hanga 15 22nd Constitutional Amendment 1969 facilitates the creation of a new automation state Meghalaya within the state of Assam. Abo Rika Meghalaya within the state of Assam je autonomous state may apro revidika 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1969. 23rd Amendment Act 1969 extended its reservation of seat for the SC, ST and special representation for the Anglo-Indian in the Lok Sabha and the state legislative symbolized for a further period of 10 years. This updated carry sabah seat reservation ni 1980 jara. Sekarang ini 1970 jara. Berarti baru siapa 1980 jara. 24 Constitutional Amendment Act 1971 affirmed the power of Parliament amend and part of the Constitution including fundamental right about Khajaka made it compulsory for the President of give the assent Constitutional Amendment Bill. 25th Amendment Act 1971 notice curtails the fundamental right to property ever provide that any law made to give effect to the directive principle contained in Article 39 B or C cannot be challenged on the ground of violation of the right granted by Article 14, 1931. 26th Amendment Act 1971 abolished the private purchase and privilege of the former rule of princely estate. 27th Amendment 1971 empowered the administration of certain union territory to promulgate ordinance. 28th Amendment Act 1972 abolished the special provision for ICS officer and empowered the Parliament to determine their service condition. 29th Amendment Act 1972 include two Kerala Act land reform in non-scheduled. This is clear. Alfred 30 Amendment 30 Amendment Act 1972 did away the provision which allow appear Supreme Court is civil cases involving the amount 20,000 and provided instead that an appeal can be filed in the Supreme Court only if in the case involved a substantially to law. Mrs. Korea. 31st Amendment Act 1972 increased the member of Lok Sabha seat from 525 to 545 or 285. 32nd Constitutional Amendment 1973 made a special provision to satisfy the aspiration of the people of the Telangana region on the Pradesh. Over to you. 33rd Amendment Act 1974 provided that the resignation of the member of parliament and the state legislature may be accepted by the speaker chairman only if he satisfied that the resignation in voluntary of engineers. Mrs. Korea. Again, for a 34th Amendment Act 1974 included 20 more land tenure and land reform act various steps of a non-scheduled law of 35th Amendment Act 1974 terminated the protectorate status of Sikkim and conferred on it status of associate state of the Indian Union. The 10th schedule was added, laying down the term and condition of associate Sikkim with the Indian Union. Bishes Korea. Eke sengtini abo musung nene ekloga sumangla 25th jara. Ega sini kabang amendment ka 2019 jara nini 2019 jara amendment abo jotono black important mutu manarmai bopro tamungka nini 2019 jara nini amendment ang mani nini 101 nini abo ngani 2016 nini 101 constitutional amendment act count pure nini tebongkha act 2018 constitution 102nd amendment April 19 ke constitution 113 amendment abo nini fundamental right article 1.5 obrok sung sevel nangai ingkai 19 jara bisis kriya ingkai abo sung sukanggo sung 35 jara naikya abo nong thani copy tongo naipedi ingkai abo sarabo ang nayana tangi mungtung nambagabo ঠিক আছে সেটা তিনি reasoning চিন্তা reasoning knowledge